You done it? Aren't they? Yeah, I think they are. They're throwing it in. Look, you can see. So what have you been doing then?
Just feeding the ducks. I gave them
Are you feeding the ducks? Speak to louder.
I gave them the pot with all the mould on it because I hate looking at it.
Throw it there.
I know all of it's got mould on it.
Not all of it's got on it. It's got one bit of mould on it. Is that not all of it's got mould on it?
Yeah, but what I mean is, I've
No.
watched a video today, so I know. And they watched.
No, mate.
No, and the mould takes over actually inside. It takes over most of the bread. You want some YouTube? YouTube, do you want some? If there's any birds out there, give it to them. Like that.
So we're feeding the birds, and then where are we going now? Feed there. Stand there. There's a dog there. Now he's come to eat the bread.
Sorry.
No, it's alright.
Please don't give him any more.
No, don't give him more.
Terrible. He's terrible. He knows that if people are feeding birds,
Yeah.
come on. Come on.
I take it he's well bred then.
He is now. Come on.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Oh no, all the birds
They're
scared
gone.
of the dog.
That all. Look there, guys. The birds flew away.
They're scared of the dog.
Dogs. Well, dog.
Did you hear that? After all that bread, it did a dropping. It dropped it.
When we go, they'll come back down. Let's go.
So yeah.
Water. Water.
Huh?
Water. Water. Let's go.
Got crumbs left.
Put it in the bin. Let's go. Water. Don't make sudden movements. Just that's it. See if any more fly down. Come on, let's go.
I thought you were going to see if there any more fell down.
Yeah, for the camera. Yeah, there.
One more time.
Right, you say bye to everybody. We're at the Arboretum in Nottingham.
Just not far from where we were staying for the holiday. There's another bird there. Look.
Another bird there picking up the crumbs. What is it, crow? Is that crow? No, it's not.
Look how fast it is. Look. Oh, it ran so fast it flew. So you get a stick. Move on to anymore. Got a stick. And I'm on top of. Oh wow, I found a pine cone. Ready?
Show them what mine is.